Okay, so managers, I have a project for you, and this project is going to take 3 weeks. Therefore, it'll take you up to the day that we return back to school, which is November 9th. We've been working on management, we've been working on leadership, we've been differentiating between the two. As you know from looking at management, there are functions within management, and we are going to be working on the function of planning. So I start with having Adam share the directions. So when you pull up number 2, you're going to read all of these directions out loud to everyone in the team. I have Ryan, he's going to share his screen, and everyone on the team is going to watch the video together and take notes. As you go through, it's quite extensive. It will require research. You will have to have a minimum of 4 different outside sources, and these will be cited in text as well as referenced at the end, all done in MLA format. Number 10 on the directions, I just want to call your attention to this section because you're going to want to have someone practice and learn how to use all of the recording devices ahead of time. Please do not wait until the last, 5 days or so when you're trying to record everything and splicing it together to decide that that's the time to have someone learn how to do it. You're going to want to have someone practice this and learn it ahead of time. So you're going to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right now to record. The difference is you're going to be showing the speaker as well as the presentation at the same time. Given that we have 4 different speakers, you'll be shutting the camera off and then turning it on to someone else. You will need to not only be able to manipulate Screencast-O-Matic, but you're also going to use the splicing devices to put all of this together so that it is a fluid presentation in the end. And then you're going to upload that to YouTube, and you're also going to upload the YouTube link into Schoology. Only one person needs to upload it to YouTube and into Schoology. Obviously, we only need it done one time. And then the last part that you will be working on is everyone will be required to put this presentation into your electronic portfolio and then use a Google Doc, type your name into the upper left-hand corner, and then send me your individual portfolio link so that I can grade your portfolio, which now has the management versus leadership paper in there and this presentation as well. So like I said, this is going to take some time. I would not hesitate to begin on it right away. Use your time in class to communicate with one another, to delegate the materials out, and to really get started on this. Because it is a long project, it is graded heavily, and therefore you want to make sure that you're doing an outstanding job. All right, so go ahead and begin with finding the directions, which will be number 2, and Adam will read those. It might be helpful to pull them up at the same time that he's reading them so that you can ask questions if you need to of one another. All right, good luck.